Dear students, in this video I will solve the chemistry science paper 2 2025. The maximum marks allotted is 80 and time for allowed for writing was 2 hours. Now let's see the section number 1, that is section A, in which you have to attempt all the questions. So question number 1 was MCQ. Which gas decolorizes potassium permanganate solution? So answer number 1 is sulfur dioxide, because neither carbon dioxide nor HCl nor ammonia decolorizes the KMnO4 solution. Which formula represents a saturated hydrocarbon? तो इसमें 3 आपको unsaturated दिए हुए हैं और खाली B वाला जो है वो saturated hydrocarbon है, that is C5H12. The metal whose oxide can be reduced by common reducing agent. So as you all know कि the metals which are at the top of the series are reduced by electrolysis, sodium, aluminium and potassium. The only one which is left is copper. तो यहाँ पे आंसर आपका होगा copper. Next question is an organic compound has vapor density 22, then the molecular formula of the organic compound is. So vapor density, if you multiply it by 2, you will get molecular weight, that is 22 into 2, that is 44. Now you see one by one that which compound will give you the weight as 44. So I think that the answer will be D, C3H8. 12 3s are 36 and 36 plus 8 is 44. So answer will be D. In the reaction given below, sulfuric acid acts as an oxidizing agent because it oxidizes sulfur to sulfur dioxide. So answer number C is correct. Next question number 6 is tendency of losing electron increases down the group, that is correct, and the most reactive metal is placed at the top of the group 1, that is false. So answer number C is correct, A is true, R is false. The ore that can be concentrated by magnetic separation is hematite, because this is the only ore which is magnetic. Next we come to question number 8. It is a diagrammatic question has been given in which you have to tell the configuration of atom A and B. तो A में देखिए आप 2 और 4 and 1 1 here are shared. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons are there. So I think so A will be 2 and 6. And in the B atom you can see 2 electrons, 8 electrons, and 7 electrons are there. That is 17 electrons are there. So that is 287. So answer number D is correct here. Which of the following options has say the compounds which are members from same homologous series? So answer number A is correct. Methane, ethane and propane. ये आपके सेम होमोलोगस सीरीज के हैं और बाकी डिफरेंट सीरीज के हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th. In the contact process SO2, gas is not directly dissolved in the water to form sulfuric acid, and reason is given is dense fog of sulfuric acid is formed, it is difficult to condense. So answer number A is correct, both is true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So answer number A is correct. Given below are the set of the ions Cl negative, Li positive, Al3 positive and K positive. आपको बताना है कि किसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो है वो सेम होगा. तो यहाँ पे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो जाएगा आपका 288, क्योंकि 287 है और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ज़्यादा है तो यहाँ पे 288 हो जाएगा. और पोटेशियम का 2881 है, अगर आप एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर देंगे तो 288 हो जाएगा. तो इसका मतलब Cl नेगेटिव और K पॉजिटिव का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम है. तो आंसर नंबर सी विल बी करेक्ट है. Which pair of reactants is best to produce lead sulfate? डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन है, प्रेसिपिटेशन से प्रोड्यूस होगा. तो यहाँ पे बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन है सोडियम सल्फेट एंड लेड नाइट्रेट. दैट इज आंसर नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज aqueous copper sulfate solution is electrolyzed using copper electrodes. Which statement is not correct? So here the D option is not correct. The number of copper ions in electrolyte decreases, क्योंकि वो डिक्रीज ही नहीं होंगे इसलिए कलर जो है वो ब्लू का ब्लू ही बना रहेगा. बाकी सब जो है वो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. ऑक्सीडेशन पॉजिटिव पे होता है, करंट जो है आयंस के थ्रू ही कंडक्ट होता है, पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन डिमिनिश हो जाता है. XYZ में आपको दिया है कि X जो है वो स्मॉलेस्ट है, तो ऑब्वियस से बात है ग्रुप में X ऊपर होगा. XYZ and which of the following is the best reducing agent? So obviously the Z will be the best reducing agent because reducing power decreases down the road because metallic character increases. यहाँ पे एक न्यूमेरिकल आपको दिया है, गेल-लिसाक लॉ है. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्योंकि दो गैसेस दिए हैं और दोनों में जिसका वैल्यू कम होता है उसको हम प्रेफर करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन को बेस बनाएंगे और जो आंसर इसका आएगा, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन आपको दिया है 60, तो 2 × 30 विल बी 60 और ये हो जाएगा 30. तो रेसिडुअल गैस में आपका यहाँ बनेगा 30 CO2 एंड 10 जो है वो आपका बच जाएगा मीथेन. So 30 plus 10 that is 40. So answer number B will be correct here. Next we come to question number 2.